So rule of the octave, this is a very simplified version, but this is something that can help you to really understand harmonization of notes. You don't really need that many chords. This comes from the 17th and 18th century. Composers, improvisers, musicians learn this technique, and it's still taught today in many classical settings. But in a nutshell, what you're doing is you're taking a major scale, either ascending or descending, and you're using a limited set of chords, typically within the key, but you could add chromatic harmony as well, to harmonize each note of that scale. So a very common set of chords, just pick 3 at a time is a very common exercise, is we're only going to use the 1 chord in this key. We're in the key of C, so our 1 chord is C, E, G. The 4 chord, F, A, C, so our F major chord, and then our G chord, right? So 1, 4, 5, and of course I can do inversions of those, right? But what I'm going to do, don't even worry as much about what voicing you do in the right hand, what combination of notes. Focus on just, okay, I've got a note in the left hand as the scale is descending or ascending, and I'm going to harmonize only using the 1 chord, the 4 chord, or the 5 chord. Here's an example. And again, I'm just going to do a scale descending in the left hand. So I can harmonize the major 1, the 5, the 4, back to the 1, back to the 4, to the 1, to the 5, right? To the 1. So you can get something like that. Do the opposite. Do it with the left hand ascending up the scale, right? So I could, even if I wanted to, there's 2 chords that share scale degree 1, or the tonic C, which are the C major chord and the F major chord. Oh, look, they both have C. So if I want to even do that descending scale exercise, I could start with the 1 chord, or I could start with the 4 chord. Right? I've got options here. So you begin to realize very quickly the relationship between individual notes of a melody, like a scale, and chord movements in the right hand. Then you can harmonize freely, and then you can add more options. That was with the 1, 4, 5. What if I do it with the minor 6, 4, and 5? Right? Changes the whole harmonic texture or concept.